2nd January, he worried about his day of departure in space. He thought of his servant Prahlad, whom he wanted to take in the space. He thought if his mission fails, it will be because of Prahlad. On 5th January, Shanku finally decided to take Prahlad into the space. He thought Prahlad was a fool, but it would be useful to take him along because sometimes slow and foolish people can show more courage than clever ones. He calculated the weights of all the things and people to take him along. A rocket can take anything up to 500 kg. He thought that Prahlad's weight was 62 kg, his robot Bidu Shankar weight was 90 kg, his own weight was 58 kg, and all the other material weight was 60 kg. On 8th January, he had decided to take his cat Newton with him. On 21st January, Shanku and his companions left the earth 7 days ago. He had taken enough food to last for 5 years. His cat Newton used to eat more than once a week. One fish pill is good enough for him and Prahlad to last 7 days. He had taken 2 lakhs pills with him. Newton was not used to live in limited space, so she became restless during the first few days. But finally, she sat on her desk quietly and staring outside to see black sky, bright stars and planets. On 28th January, Shanku taught his robot Bidu Shekhar to speak. The robot started learning some words. Shanku saw the planet Mars as it was looking as a grapefruit. He thought that they would be there in another month. Now he thought that he had no doubt about the life on Mars. He had no idea whether life is large or small, peaceful or violent, and also about the creatures of Mars. Then the day came when they landed on Mars. Shanku wrote his diary on a yellow rock. He saw that everything was opposite of what they see on Earth. The trees, the ground, stones and rocks were soft like rubber. The color of river was red. Its water looked like a clear guava jelly. The grass, trees and plants were blue in color and the sky was green. He didn't see even a living creature there. The atmosphere of Mars was mysterious and frightening. The cold wind freezed up the fatty tissues of bones of Shanku.